Welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to transform data into log or exponential form. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, Mathematical Economics, and Econometrics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So here I have the hypothetical data. This is the value. And now we want to transform this data into logarithmic form. So first we use log command. So write equal to and then log, open the bracket, select the value, comma, and now we need to write the base. So suppose base is 10. So the command is equal to log, in bracket the cell for which we want to convert or transform the data, and then base. Press enter. So the value is 1. Now same can be done by using log 10 command. So in log 10, the base is 10 automatically, and therefore you don't need to mention it. See, this is equal to log 10, and now select the number. So here we don't need to mention the base value. Again, the answer is 1. Now suppose we want natural log. In natural log, the base is e, that is 2.71. So the function is equal to ln, and then select the cell. So it is A2, this, enter. So the value is 2.30. Now you can simply select the cell and drag to find the values for others. Go to C2 and then drag. Then go to D2 and then drag. So this is how we can find or we can transform the values or data into logarithmic form. Now suppose we want to transform the data into exponential form. So the function is equal to exp, and then you select the cell, close the bracket, enter. So again you select the cell and then drag, you will get the answer. So this is how we can transform the values into logarithmic and exponential forms. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.